Hey everybody, Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Audi Q3 Quattro. This comes in a white exterior, a black interior. A lot of silver accents throughout. Sunroof. Take a look at our rear here. We've got the Audi Q3 and Quattro badging. Power opening and closing trunk. And we'll take a look at our rear seats next. More of that silver accent throughout. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Alright, got our driver door controls here. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage is currently at 39,350. And we've got a turnkey ignition. And here's our touchscreen display. Control your radio. Also see your backup camera. As well as any other vehicle settings you need to adjust. Below that is climate control, as well as some different traction modes here. And of course your shifter here. And if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.